In today's medical alert, it is World Mosquito Day. The insects aren't just annoying, they kill more humans than any other creature in the world by infecting them with diseases like malaria and dengue fever. And the threat is growing. There were 500,000 dengue cases worldwide in 2000. There are now 5.2 million. Dengue is currently in 130 countries, including in North America. In 2022, malaria killed 600,000 people in 85 countries. More than half of the world's population is at risk of being infected. So Johns Hopkins scientists are developing ways to lessen that risk. At the Johns Hopkins Malaria Research Institute, scientists are fighting diseases like malaria and dengue fever by changing mosquitoes' genetics. They do so by injecting DNA into their eggs.
By providing that gene to the mosquito will become resistant to the pathogen that it transmits between humans, so it cannot transmit disease.
So the mosquito itself will become immune to diseases like malaria and dengue and will pass that trait on to its offspring. And once the DNA-modified egg hatches, it becomes a larva.
Included in that DNA, a gene that produces a fluorescent protein. So the mosquitoes that become genetically modified, they will also have a fluorescence at the larval stage. And that's how we can discriminate them from the mosquitoes that did not become genetically modified.
Now Hopkins scientists are developing technologies to spread the disease-resistant gene to mosquito populations in the wild.
Using that technology, we would be able to convert a mosquito population that normally can spread disease to one that cannot spread disease.
Fascinating. Researchers say the first field trial of this new technology is likely to happen in the next 2 to 5 years. Meanwhile, as the planet continues to warm, the type of mosquitoes that carry disease will continue to spread to areas where they normally didn't exist.